The title of my project is Impact of Global Warming on the Marine Ecosystems. This project highlights how global warming is affecting our oceans, including coral bleaching, rising sea temperatures, and the destruction of marine biodiversity. I chose this topic because the ocean plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our planet, and it is important that we understand the danger it now faces. The ocean was powerful and full of life. It covers over 70% of our planet and supports nearly every form of life, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whale. But today, this life-threatening ecosystem is in danger. The cause: global warming. What is global warming? Global warming refers to the long-term rise in the Earth's average temperature, mainly due to human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation. As more carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases fill our atmosphere, more heat is trapped, and that heat is now reaching the oceans. Rising ocean temperatures. Since the 1970s, oceans have absorbed over 90% of the excess that hurt caused by global warming. This rise in the temperature stresses marine ecosystems. Fish migrate to colder waters, coral reefs become vulnerable, and the delicate balance of life under the sea begins to shift. Corals depend on symbiotic algae for food and color, but when waters get warm, they expel this algae. This is known as coral bleaching. Bleaching corals are more likely to die, threatening thousands of species that rely on reef for shelter and food. Ocean acidification. As the ocean absorbs more CO2, it becomes more acidic. This is ocean acidification. Lower pH levels reduce the availability of calcium carbonate, the building block for shells and coral skeleton. Melting ice and sea level rise. As global temperature rise, ice in the Arctic and Antarctic melt faster than ever. This leads to sea level rise, a serious threat to coastal ecosystems. Mangroves, estuaries, and salt marshes, which serve as nurseries for marine life, are being lost to the sea. Disrupted food chains. Plankton, the foundation of the marine food web, are highly sensitive to change in the temperature and acidity. When their population decline, it affects fish, marine mammals, seabirds, and entire ecosystems. Billions of people rely on the ocean for food and income. As fish population decline, so do the livelihoods of coastal communities around the world. For security, especially in developing countries, is at serious risk. Species migration and extinctions. As oceans warm, marine species are migrated to cooler waters, but not all can move, and not all will survive. This leads to habitat loss, population declines, and in some cases, extinctions. Biodiversity loss. The ocean's incredible biodiversity is under threat. Coral reefs, keep forests, and sacred species are losing the species that once thrived in them. Losing biodiversity doesn't just mean fewer fish. It means the collapse of ecosystem that took millions of years to build. What's at stake? This is about more than marine life. It's about people, food, economies, and the future of our planet. If we lose the health of our oceans, we lose the balance of life on Earth. Good news is we can act, transitioning to clean energy, reducing carbon emissions, and protecting marine habitats can help slow global warming and support ocean recovery. We must also reduce plastic pollution, stop overfishing, and explain marine protect zones. Final message: protect our oceans. The ocean is resilient, but it needs our help. Every choice we make matters. Every degree of warming counts. Together, we can protect our oceans, our climate, and our future. My infographic video highlights the impact of global warming on marine ecosystem, directly supporting SDG 13 climate action, which focus on tackling climate change, and SDG 14 life below water, which aim to conserve and sustainable use the ocean and marine resources. In conclusion, global warming poses a serious threat to marine ecosystems, affecting biodiversity, ocean health, and human livelihood. It is our shared responsibility to take action and protect our planet for future generations. Thank you for your time and attention.